My name is Jimena Ortiz. My title was Grant Analyst and Coordinator. And a little bit about my role this summer, I was handling the pipeline of the different grants that SolPods was applying to, working with the different requirements and measuring the KPIs that were necessary in order to succeed and be competitive in the selection. This internship helped me grow professionally, especially on the areas of adaptability and time management. Given that it was a remote setting, I had to learn how to leverage my communication beyond the one-on-one in-person style, which I'm mostly used to. And then in terms of time management, there's not a specific strict schedule that I had to follow, which allowed me more freedom to organize my own schedule and make sure I would meet with the tasks that were assigned. My experience as a student worker handling and juggling different jobs on campus helped me in this experience, as I was able to learn task prioritization based on urgency. Another thing that has helped me has been the leadership I held on campus as president of the Investing Club, where a lot of teamwork is necessary, and I have learned how to delegate tasks, and this type of communication and teamwork helped me to work with the internship team as well. An advice I would give to a future student preparing for an internship is curiosity. Don't stress about that question of how do you see yourself in 5 years. This specific internship that you're taking is not gonna define your whole future, but living in the present and making sure that every skill that you build, you're conscious of it and you are able to leverage on future roles will eventually lead you to the goals and the path that you want to end in.